Welcome back. Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can connect your WordPress website with any kind of CRM application. And I'm going to show you how you can transfer the data from your WordPress into any kind of CRM automatically using Pabbly Connect application. So here you can see this will be the flow of this automation. Here in the trigger, we are using WordPress, and in the action, we are using high level CRM application. So we have taken the example of high level CRM here. You can take any other kind of CRM here as well. So here the use case is as and when the user is going to register in your WordPress website, the same user is going to be added as a contact automatically inside high level. Okay. So now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, first of all, you need to reach here on this link pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get free automation tasks to set up and test your automations. Okay. So after signing up, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create a workflow. So for that, just click on this create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as WordPress 2 CRMs automation. Okay. Right. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the trigger and action thing. So we are going to build the automation with the help of these two things only. So trigger is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. So as in this use case, the trigger would be adding of any new user in WordPress, and the action towards that trigger would be to add the same user in CRMs. Okay. So first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose the trigger application as WordPress. Okay, select it. And in the trigger event, select new user or user registers option. Okay, so select user registers, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL, guys. And with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with our WordPress website. And after that, we are going to fetch the response of that Webhook connection. Okay. So you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. So the first step is to install a new plugin in WordPress, which is WP Webhooks plugin. So let me show you the dashboard of WordPress. This is the dashboard of WordPress, guys. And here you will find this plugins option when you scroll down on the left hand side panel. And from here you have to click on this add new option, and from this page you have to install a plugin which is called WP Webhooks. Okay, so search for WP Webhooks here. You can see this plugin. Okay, so and you have to install it and activate it. So I have already activated it, you can see. So after activating it, you will find the WP Webhooks option under the settings. So here we have settings option. Click on settings, and here you can see in the last we have WP Webhooks option. Click on WP Webhooks, and under this page you have to click on send data tab. Click on send data. All right. And under the send data, you can see the available Webhook triggers are these. So here you will find this. Let me show you in the instructions. You need to select user created Webhook trigger from this send data section. Here you can see we have this user created section. Under user created section, you have to add a Webhook URL by clicking on this add Webhook URL button. And here you can give a name to this Webhook connection. So I'm giving the name here as 2 CRMs. Okay. And here in this Webhook URL field, I am going to copy and paste this Webhook URL. So just click on copy from here. Okay. And paste this URL here in this field like this. Okay. Then click on add for create user. And you can see a new Webhook URL has been added here. And you can see that Webhook URL in the last here. This is the newly added Webhook URL to CRM. Okay. So here you can see we have followed all these steps, and as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to manually create a user from our registration page of WordPress website, and the data of that user will be captured here in this response section. Okay, so let me show you. This is a kind of registration page I have created with the help of my WordPress. So here I'm going to fill in the details manually. So let this person is a dummy person. So guys, I have filled the dummy person's details like this. Okay, and here I'm going to click on this submit button, and so guys, here you can see it started showing user is successfully registered. Okay, now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of a new registration or not. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the details of a new registration like this. It is showing the user ID, the user's name, the user's email address. Okay, and this is the whole data, the first name, the last name. Okay, the address, the company's name, the number, and all the things are here automatically. Okay, so this is the test data we have received. Now guys, I want to send this data into a CRM application. So here I'm going to use the sections tab, and for now we are using Go High Level or High Level application as a CRM, but you can choose any CRM like HubSpot or Zendesk. Let me show you. If you search HubSpot here, it will show you HubSpot CRM. You can select it. Okay, or if you select Pipedrive, it will show you this Pipedrive option. Okay, you can select Zendesk as well. Here is Zendesk. Okay, or any other kind of CRM if you have in your mind, like ClickUp. You can see we have ClickUp also. You can connect with ClickUp. You can connect with Salesforce as well. Okay, here's Salesforce, but right now I'm showing you the demo with high level application. Okay, you can choose any other as well. So I'm selecting high level for now, and in the action event I'm going to select create a contact option. So here we have create or update contact option. Select it, click on connect. From this window, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the token or the API key of high level account. So let me show you. This is my high level applications dashboard, and here you can see I have this settings option on the bottom left hand side. So click on settings, and under the settings you will find this business info tab. Under business info, when you scroll down, you will find this API key right here. So from here, click on this copy icon and copy this key and paste this key here in this token field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with high level application. Okay, and now it is asking for the first name, last name, and all the things to create a contact inside high level. So we are going to map this data that we have received as the test data in the first step, and I'm going to map these labels that we have received here to create a contact in high level. So just click here on the first name field, and it will show you the previous step or the trigger step in the drop down like this, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received. So from here only, I am going to map the name or the first name. Here is the first name label. Okay, similarly map the last name label. Right, for the full name, map both of the labels together as this. Okay, first name and the last name. Similarly, map the email address, the phone number. Okay, and the address. So guys, when you map the labels here like this, what will happen in real time after setting up this automation, whenever someone is going to register in your WordPress website, the labels are going to be updated automatically, and a new contact will be created in your CRM automatically with the new data. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the data from the first application to the next application. Okay, so if you have all the details, you can map all the details. Right now I'm leaving all these things blank. These are not compulsory things, and I'm just showing you the demo. So here we have the save and send test request button. So when you click on it, a new contact will be created here inside your high level application in this contacts list. Right now we have 3 contacts here. Let me click on save and send test request and see if we got a new contact added or not. And here you can see this is the response we have received. Let us see here. I'm refreshing the contact section of high level application. And here you can see we got a new contact added here with the name dummy person. This is the number, this is the email address, and this is the creation date. And these are the same details that I have mapped here, you can see. And these are the same details that we got from our WordPress. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation. And now you don't have to do anything manually here. Now, guys, as and when any person is going to register in your WordPress website, the same person is going to be added here in your CRM application automatically. And guys, if you want to use more than one CRM application also, you can use that here also. If you, let's say you are using high level and Salesforce together for different features, what you can do, you can just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up, and from here you can search for Salesforce and connect with Salesforce and add the same person in Salesforce as well. Or you are using ClickUp, you can select ClickUp from here, or you are using HubSpot, you can search for HubSpot. Okay, and you can connect any of your CRM applications here only. Okay, right now I am just removing this step. Okay, but you can use it. And guys, if you want to use the same workflow, you can also use this, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.